You guys see how big this air bubble is? Yeah, we cannot be having that. We're gonna use a thumbtack. I really hope I don't ruin this squishy though, but we're just gonna put it in there like a little bit. Like, I'm scared. I don't wanna pop it. Okay. Okay, I think it's in. Yep, it's letting the air out. You guys see it? It's slowly deflating. I don't even know where the hole is now. I shouldn't have moved it around. We're gonna put another little hole. Try to see if we can get out more air. I might have ruined this squishy. I don't know. But I don't. There we go. What is this now? Bro, I ruined it. Low key, like, look at this. This was all from the air bubble. Okay, I'm done.